Hi, I'm Sylvie, and today I'm going to introduce you to the latest addition to our Scout range. So you've probably heard about the silicone brushes that cleanse your skin. And you've probably seen the jade rollers or the rose quartz rollers that massage your skin or are great for lymphatic drainage. And you've probably also seen other products that will help to infuse your skincare serums. So I'm always on the lookout for something that's going to be quick and easy to use, and that's going to be quite simple, and also that's going to be affordable. So let me introduce you to the Scout Skin Therapy Glow System. So they're going to come in 3 colors, with the pink one, the black one, and there's going to be a white one. So I'm going to talk you through this super smart little device. It's a multi-use device. So you have the brush on the front, and it also utilizes sonic and thermal heating. So you would apply your cleansers and then you would use the brush. And then on the side, we have this clever little raised brush that's for those hard to get at areas like around your nose. On the other side of the face is the rose quartz stone. Now we all know rose quartz has wonderful elements of oxygen, magnesium, and also iron. So it's going to really help with reducing any inflammation and help with a stressed out urban skin. So the other fabulous benefit of this is that you're going to use it to massage, but it also heats up. That's the thermal technology. So it heats up and you can use it to massage your oils or your serums or even your moisturizers. So a great little product. Why is it also great? Because it's small enough to travel with. It comes with its little travel pouch. It has a handle. I find some of the products that are out on the market are too bulky and big on my face. This is small enough that it's just great to use on your face. So there you have it. The Skin Therapy Glow System that comes in black, pink and white. And I've put them together on our website with some fabulous skincare products so they're able to be used within kits.